Yo, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous. Today we're doing Cup of Crayons. And no, I'm not joking. We're actually doing a cup of crayons. I question myself. Oh, what is this? It's waxy and weird. Like chewing on something that should be for coloring, not eating. It tastes bland, like biting into a stick of nothing. It's sticking to my teeth, and I just want to spit it out. Ugh, I can already taste crayons in my mouth already. Seriously, this is gross. I don't blame you at all. Crayons are not edible, and unfortunately, a lot of children do eat crayons. Alright, that is the cup of crayons. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.